Hi guys, just wanted to do a follow-up video specifically discussing the operation of the solenoid that actuates the bypass secondary turbo valve. That valve is this solenoid in here, so just down in there. Yes, to answer my question in my first video, it was operating correctly. So if you watch that first video, that's the expected outcome of the operation of that solenoid, i.e. it's just on off, there's no pulse width modulation going on, and it controls the actuator on the bypass valve. Additionally, what I wanted to highlight was that I was receiving code P00CF and P0235 in isolation, those two codes alone, and I was getting very bad economy. And Eastern Ranges, they identified that pressure sensor that's down there, that's measuring the pressure on the secondary turbo only. It's done remotely via a rubber hose, and obviously it's taken into consideration the calculation of the absolute manifold pressure. That sensor is essentially the same as the sensor up the top there, which is measuring the absolute manifold pressure. It's made by the same manufacturer. It's either Hitachi or Infineon. Haven't totally identified that. The sensor up the top here fits to the manifold with a rubber O-ring. The sensor down here on that secondary turbo is fitted to a rubber hose. So when I disconnected that sensor yesterday and reran the codes or reran the scan, I ended up with the same codes, P00CF and P0235. So I just wanted to help you out there. Another quick one is that this plastic cover here, it's clipped on the down here. It's clipped on down there, those two clips there. There's one on each side, and then there's just some locators here, and then there's another one down there, and there's another one down there. Now, to actually remove those clips, it's very difficult to see, but what you need to do is go underneath that plastic protrusion and push the clip inboard, so towards the fan, and lift the plastic piece out. So the clip is connected underneath, and so I just wanted to do a quick video and highlight how you removed this bracket off the fan shroud. There's these clips here. They go through this boss and then they protrude out the bottom, and you've actually got to push inboard right at the bottom here. You've got to push that inboard and then and lift this directly up, so then that clip should remove. I directly pulled mine up and broke the ends of the clips off, so I've used a bit of JB Weld or one of those type of materials and built up so that mine just slips in and out now, but it clips in place. So just get underneath there, push this way, in this direction, holding it, and then lifting straight up. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.